No two spaces are alike, and the TeamConnect Ceiling Medium is equipped to handle the installation requirements of your room. Whether it's flush-mounted for drywall ceiling or suspended grids, surface-mounted for hard set surfaces, or suspended options allowing you to get the microphones closer to the action in spaces with higher ceilings. There's a solution for each and every environment. The TCC M even includes integrated VESA mounting points to support installation onto third-party mounting solutions. You have true flexibility to pick the best installation for your space, whether you want to feature the microphone in a more design-led space or to have it blend into the environment. Whichever way you choose to install the TCC M, it is the perfect addition to any meeting room.